Welcome everybody. Another G.I. Joe week throughout the rest of the week. Today we've got Tripwire. I've long since lost his metal detector and backpack that had it actually came with mines. He actually has a back pocket on his. I don't know if I've ever seen a Joe with a back pocket, but sidearm. I'm pretty sure he was a second gen, so he does have the swivel arm battle grip. His hips are acceptable. They're not. He's not totally sprung out. Let's see. No real decorations or anything on that arm. Got the gauntlets, which I'm sure is part of the whole disposal unit deal. Got some stripes on that arm. Looks like 3, maybe a sergeant. No real details on the back. Of course, got his goggles and included helmet. He's got the headphones for his metal detector, obviously. Excuse me. Gray boots. Sort of nothing. Like I say, since I don't have his gear, that was sort of the interesting part of him. The head turned one way, sort of clogged up the other. Probably got some trash in there. But there he is. Make it focus back in on it. Well, and that's about all I can say about him. So thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.